So we got the Geekbench 6 results for the OnePlus Open. It leaked. Let's go ahead and talk about it. So starting off right away, the OnePlus Open achieves a single core score of 1557 and a multi-core score of 4462. That's actually really freaking good. And it says right here, for context in their own testing, the Google Pixel Fold achieved a single core of 1179 and a multi-core of 3759. And obviously the the Samsung Z Fold 5 comes in at 2050 to 5302, which respectively is the most powerful smartphone on the planet. We weren't really expecting the OnePlus Open to be more powerful than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. That's really not the whole thing here. The stick is that it is the most complete all-around best foldable cell phone. When it comes to a beautiful outside display, beautiful inside display, it is plenty powerful, clearly more powerful than the Google Pixel Fold, but it's not like, the most powerful phone on the planet. That has to still be the, Galaxy Z Fold 5. But it's still, pretty much leg for leg with the Z Fold 5 here. 1557 to 2000, obviously a little bit of a leap, but there's also a leap with price tags, right? You have a phone coming in here probably $1,300 to $1,500 versus a phone that's coming in here at $1,800 with the Z Fold series. So it's, there's a little bit less on the OnePlus Open, but you're saving a lot of money by going ahead and getting that, right? While, again, and then for the other side, what is that, 800? Around 900 difference on a multi-core score, but again, you're saving the money. So this is not bad. This is really, really not bad. Now, of course, let's be honest, right? The OnePlus Open, as I said many times, it's not a first-gen phone. It's a third-generation phone by Oppo. It's, has been tested. It has gone through the ringer. Has gone through pretty much everything to be perfected. So we're not expecting this phone in any way possible to go out there and look like a trash phone. We're expecting this phone to look like a third generation of phone, and I think it does a really, really good job of, achieving that goal. So right here it says OnePlus Open, unopened. The puns today, man. I've seen so many puns today. It's absolutely crazy. So we have 16 gigabytes of RAM, 12 gigabyte version, black. Obviously, OnePlus Open right here. We have the case, and I'll be honest with you, I kind of like the case, right? It's very minimalistic. It's not like in your face, like, oh, here's the phone. It's almost to a point where if you didn't notice it was OnePlus Open, you probably wouldn't I cannot speak English today. If you didn't notice it was OnePlus Open, you probably wouldn't know it's a OnePlus Open just by looking at the box, right? And I'm not saying every phone is like, oh my gosh, you know what it is. But when you look at this, what do you think this is? If I cover up the thing right here, first off, just by this box, it's a Samsung phone, right? You automatically know that. But if you look at the front, that's a Z Flip 5. Automatically, that's a Z Flip 5. On this phone box, you don't really know what it is. If you cover up OnePlus Open, it's a red box. It's a red box. You might know it's from OnePlus because of the design, but that's pretty much it. So it's actually kind of a cool concept, I will say. That, it's more minimalistic of like, this is the phone. It feels premium. I don't know why. Maybe I'm crazy to say that. It just feels premium to me. And maybe I'm just a fanboy of the phone because I want this industry to really get pushed forward toward foldable phones. But you know what? It looks beautiful. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Are you be picking up the OnePlus Open, or are you going with... Actually, that's a Surface Duo, sorry. This is a Z Fold 5. Are you going with the Z Fold 5, the Google Pixel Fold, or are you gonna go with the Z Flip 5? I don't have a Motorola Razr, so I can't do that, but which phone are you going with, guys? Which phone is your cup of tea? I'd love to hear it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.